Welcome to the Secret Chef with me, Chef Gazpacho. Today's secret recipe is hay. If I tell you, it won't be a secret anymore. But you can keep a secret, eh? Pretty special, no? We're gonna need some very nice ingredients if we wanna make it. Let's take a look at what we're gonna use. Those are gonna taste better. Now it's time to make the recipe. These doughs are very fast, so mix them all up, and into the oven they go. Ta-da! Hey, Chef Gazpacho, play a little joke. These two foods were right. Can you figure out what number 3 should be? I hope you enjoy my little show. Remember, keep cooking.
The Secret Chef was brought to you by